Hello, welcome back guys to Filmora channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable notifications in Filmora on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, to enable the Filmora notifications, we have two ways to enable it. The first one, we can go to the settings on our device or phone. Now scroll it down until we found out the apps options here. Now scroll it down again until we found out the Filmora applications, guys. Here I'm gonna scroll it down until we found out here the Filmora. Tap on it, and after go ahead to this notifications options. And as you can see, the allow notifications, and beside it we can find this toggle. So if you want to enable it, just tap on the toggle beside the allow notification until it's turned green like this. And the second way is to activate these notifications for the Filmora. You can manage it from the Filmora application. Just tap on it like this and open the Filmora applications. And now go to this mine option at the bottom. And after here in this page, you just have to scroll it down until we found out here the notifications. And if you want to enable it, just tap on the toggle beside the notification until it's turned to this page again. Now tap on this notifications. Now allow the notifications like before. So yeah, for enable it, actually it's the same way, guys. And I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video tutorial from me how to enable notifications in Filmora on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.